All right, good evening. Another bank holiday, post office holiday trading day. We opened at the highs of the day, 1076.75 pre-market. As you can see here, this is a 30-day chart showing the last 7 days action going back here on the right side of the chart. Last Friday, the second, we closed or opened rather at 1012. Today we hit a high again of 1077. That's 65 points, and since then we have fallen. Now we're trading right around 1070 here as we come into the European and Asian markets here. Asian markets have been open for about 3 hours, so European markets open in 4 hours again. I think you can continue as we've had the 6.5% move, probably to sell into the retail numbers, which come out Wednesday. We've got CPI Thursday, consumer sentiment again on Friday. Until we close over this 1078 area, now you want to be selling up to that level. So until we close over that, it's all in the close right now. Today again we closed back down right here around 1071 and a half. Not uberly bearish, basically a flat day today, if you will, compared to where we opened. We opened at 1071.50. We closed at 1071.75. So pretty much another flat day. Look at this volume here again. I'll just note real quickly. You can see huge spikes in volumes here on the sell-off on the 30th. Again on the 31st. Again the 2nd. You're seeing huge volume spikes there. And as we've gone up, the volume has done nothing but decrease. So keep this in mind. As we've gone up, we've seen lighter volume. So there's definitely some distribution, it appears to me, on the charts. But this, again, we're just traders coming in, trading what we see. Today we told our members to sell that 76 level off the open with a stop over 78.5, no different than it was in the morning. And indeed, that pretty much worked out very nicely in the opening onset of the day. You had to wait until the end of the day, but we said we'd trade back to that pivot of 69, and that happened basically in that final few minutes of the day. So you can see that very clearly on the 5-minute chart here on the 1 day that we sold off into the end of the day here at the 4 o'clock hour. Again, this is a Eastern looking chart. So we sold off here between 2 and 4 in that last bit. The biggest volume of the day was seen on this sell-off. We rallied back 50% retrace, and that's where we are, quite simply right back to the levels that we've been kind of hanging around here. So the trade today was short. That did work. We traded to the pivot, which was the pivot today was 69.13. We traded as low as 67.75, and that was it. So you had a nice little 7-point move from the opening 76 to the downturn of 69, which was our goal. And we told our members, sell 76, buy the pivot later in the day, and that worked out extremely well. So that's it. We'll be back tomorrow, see if we can close over a new high. Otherwise, again, continue to stay to the dark side right now until you close over that 78.5 level. Peace.